Hi, I am excited to show you how our powerful org chart generator can simplify your organization planning, project management, and much more, all inside Excel. Creating clear professional organizational charts or project hierarchies can be time consuming and complicated. Many tools are expensive or hard to use. That's why we built this easy to use Excel based org chart tool that anyone can use, no special software is required. Here is how it works. You just have to have an employee ID, employee name, manager ID, reports to location and job title. If you don't enter these values, no problem, but these three are required. But if you have additional information, that's good. It will show you, say, job title and all, and so on. So if you wanted to use the same tool for project management or any other hierarchical one, these two keys are important. These two keys, these are the things that will relate. Say if employee ID is 1015, reporting manager is 1057. That's very much required. If there is no reporting manager is entered, then it will consider this particular employee as a top level boss. And it will start from here and find out who are all the reportees. Suppose say 103 is the employee ID of this particular name. So it will go and find out what are the reporting manager, where and all reporting manager is mentioned as 103 as their subordinates or reporting employees for that particular boss, and it will continue from there. So for 103 and it will find out how many reportees are there for this 1052 and so on. Sorry, this tree structure is very much important, that has to be maintained. And if you are not, if there is a huge thousands of employees, then it's very difficult to track them and find out where there is a break. Suppose if an employee A reports to the employee B and employee D is there and there is no report is properly aligned. In that case, we have this button. You can validate employee managers. If there is no continuous chain, it will going to prompt you. Following manager not in employee list. Say 1060 1060. This is not in the employee list. It will point out where this 1060 there is no employee by that and there is a 1060 as the reporting manager. So it will identify these issues and point it out to you. Okay, now coming back to the that's about. So I'll show you how this is getting generated now. I clicked on create chart. It generates the chart here. Now we have to fix that 1060. So then it will going to generate this chart. Now you can see these are the different charts. Report is in a tree format. Since there are two blanks, it considers as a two different bosses and it creates two charts. So this is the another chart. So Taylor John, see here, and what are all the report is under this. So it creates multiple. If there are more than two which do not have the boss, so it will consider them as again another top level boss. Okay, we have to fix that 1060 and then it will go up from there. Now I clicked on this. So you can see there are three charts generated and there are no other reportees for this particular employee. So that's why it is only one. He's only the boss. There are no reportees under that. So this is how. And if for example, if I want a different font and say hi, this is a top level boss and I want a different background color, so you can set that very well. Say I'm choosing this green font background and red font. Say let's take say this. Okay, this font. I can create a chart. I can see that coming up here. You can choose any of different employees like this, and I want them, say for example, mechanical department, I wanted them in a different color. Then you can choose filter by this and what are all the mechanical departments for them. You can set this color, different colors. So that way you can do. And department wise, also you can create a chart. Like for every department head, you can make this as a blank, manager employed as a blank. Then it will start looping there and it will create one chart for each departments. So this has multiple uses, not only organization charts. It can also be project task breakdowns, decision trees, family trees or genealogy charts, genealogy chart, mind maps, product categorization, departments and reporting, website navigation or sitemap, IT network topology, and many more such applications. It depends on how creatively you can use this tool for multiple purposes. So that's about the tool. Yeah, I showed you the style and charting. If you need any customization, please let us know. We will be able to support you. Fully integrated with Excel, which you already know. You don't have to install any other software or nothing else. There is no subscription required for add-ins, any of the add-ins, nothing is there. It's just a plain Excel. This tool works fine. Ideal for HR, project managers, educators, and so on. Ready to streamline. If you are ready to streamline your our charts and more, visit our website, get a copy of your tool today. Thank you for watching.